Okay, so this is the 2023 paper 1 question 4 on your differentiation and integration, right? This is a hence question. So first part, they tell you to differentiate this. We definitely need to use our product rule, right? I'm just going to let my x be 1. I'm going to let my e to the power of 2, negative 2x be 2. So I'm just going to differentiate 1, leave 2, differentiate 2 and leave 1. So I differentiate x, right? I get it to be 1. I leave 2. And I add, I differentiate 2, right? This just gives me negative 2. E to the power of negative 2x stays the same. And then I leave 1, right? Simplify this. Okay, and this would be your final answer. Okay, you can also factorize it out like so. Inside you're left with 1 minus 2x. Okay, this is also okay. Okay, and the next part here, they tell you, hence find the integral of this, right? So for such hence questions, always write out the start of your answer and the final part of your answer, right? So in this case, I'm going to use the second one because we need to expand it either way later on. Okay, I'm just going to use this one. Right, so I'm just going to copy this out. The derivative of x e to the power of negative 2x is the same as e to the power of negative 2x minus 2x e to the power of negative 2x. Here we're going to integrate both sides, right? We integrate here. Left hand side, you will see that the integral and the differential cancels out. So on the left hand side, we're just left with x e to the power of negative 2x. Inside here, we can split this apart. Okay, don't forget your dx because you're integrating with respect to that. And then the second one, similarly, okay, you need to be able to tell that, okay, this is actually what I want, right? We just want the integral of that. So we're going to rearrange everything a bit, right? Since this is negative, I'm just going to bring it to the left-hand side to make it positive. This thing, I'm just going to move it to the right-hand side, right? So I move this first, right? Moving it to the left-hand side just becomes positive, right? And we get the integral of 2x e to the power of negative 2x dx is equals to just this, right? Integral of e to the power of negative 2x dx, subtract by this, because we move it to the right side. And all we need to do here is, we're going to make this form become this later on. But before we can do that, we need to integrate this first. Right, so integral of this whole thing. Okay, here I'm just going to take out the 2, because later we're going to divide it over. Okay, we integrate this. This just becomes e to the power of negative 2x divided by negative 2. Right, this one don't need to integrate one more time because it's ready as it is. Minus x e to the power of negative 2x. And to get our final answer, which is the one without the 2, we just divide the 2 on both sides. Right, so this just becomes x e to the power of negative 2x dx is equals to negative e to the power of negative 2x over 4 minus x over 2 e to the power of negative 2x. Okay, and don't forget, because this is an integration question, we will need our constant at the back. So this is our final answer, right? Negative e to the power of negative 2x over 4 minus x over 2 e to the power of negative 2x, and most importantly, your plus. Okay, so this is how you do the hence question. Remember, main objective is you just need this. Then you just make the subtract from there. Okay, so this is question 4.